In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Power BI report page size. To get started, open Power BI and go to the report you want to work on. Once you're inside the report view, take a look toward the right-hand side of the screen. This is where many of the formatting and setup options are located, and it's also where you'll find the settings for your report page. What you want to do next is make sure you're adjusting the page itself, not just a chart, table, or another visual. On the right side, under the Visualizations area, click on Format Page. This section controls settings that apply to the entire report page, so it's the right place to go if you want to change the size of the canvas. After that, click on Canvas Settings. This is where Power BI lets you control the dimensions of the page you're currently editing. If you're designing a report for a specific screen size, presentation layout, or embedded view, this section is especially useful because it helps you tailor the page to fit your needs more precisely. Inside Canvas Settings, you'll see a drop-down menu for page size options. Click that drop-down, and you can choose from one of the preset sizes available in Power BI. Presets are useful if you want a quick, standard layout without having to type in dimensions yourself. If you need more control, choose the Custom option instead. Once Custom is selected, you'll be able to manually change the width and height of the report page. Simply enter the dimensions you want, and Power BI will update the page size based on those values. This is helpful when you're building reports for a custom display area, or when you want to optimize spacing and layout for your visuals. As you adjust the size, keep in mind that changing the page dimensions can affect how your charts, text boxes, and other elements appear on the screen. You may need to reposition or resize some visuals afterwards so everything looks clean and balanced. And that's it. That's how you change the page size in a Power BI report. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your report looks and how easy it is for others to read and interact with it.